Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Peter Watch is my name. I'm a stock market researcher and investor. I talk to people about the stock market, telling them to save, invest, and grow wealth. My aim is very simple: create 10,000 millionaires. 10,000 millionaires. And I know it's possible, myself included. I am teaching people about the stock market, and I am also investing in the stock market and growing my money in the stock market. Today's topic is very simple. How many stocks should you own at one particular time? My answer is very simple. Three. You see, owning 3 stocks enables you can research on these stocks. You can do a search on these stocks. You can do analysis easily on these stocks. You can search about them in the news. You can search about their financial records. You can search about their balance sheet. You can do a lot of search on these stocks. There is someone in the Telegram group a while back. He sent me a private chat, or rather he came to my inbox and told me, "Hi Peter, I have about 20 stocks," and he shared with me his portfolio. The person had bought virtually all shares in the Nairobi Securities Exchange. Now, monitoring 20 shares is very, 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 very difficult if you are a small-time investor. Of course, it's easy for companies. If you are a big company and you have billions of shillings, it is easy to monitor 20 stocks. But if you're a small-time investor with less than 100,000, less than $1 million, why do you need to invest in 20 companies? That is over diversification. Warren Buffett, the richest investor, stock market investor in the world, with $100 billion worth, says this: diversification is for those who don't know what they are doing. They are doing a guesswork. Ladies and gentlemen, don't do guesswork. Join us in the Telegram group. That's where we talk about the stock market, and we are not here doing guesswork. Subscribe to this channel so that every time I upload a video, you are alerted. Thank you so much. Have a nice time, and see you in the next video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have questions, please ask your questions in the comment section. I will answer all questions. Thank you. Bye.